Hello Kickstarter! My name is Nils. 3 years ago, my team and I came to you with an idea. We wanted to let you know your home was safe, without invasive cameras or complex security systems. That's why we designed Point. Thanks to you, Point is now used by thousands of people across the world. Today, we're launching the next generation. We've learned from our community, and we've seen how families and neighbours come together when the unexpected happens. That's why the new Point is a full home alarm designed for collaboration. We think you'll love it.
Meet Susan, Bob and Judy Anderson and their neighbour Alex. This is their home with Point. Point can sense smoke. Point can sense noise. Point can sense movement. Traditional alarm systems rely on many individual devices and sensors. Point combines sound, motion, and environmental sensors in one device. Through machine learning, it identifies what's happening in the environment, much like a brain. When Point detects something important, a message is sent to a group of people chosen by you, so you can help each other out when needed.
Point is now a serious business, and the team behind it is growing. After more than a year of hard work, we're just a few months away from shipping. The new Point will come with a subscription when it hits retail, but we want to offer you something special. All Kickstarter backers, new and old, will get free lifetime service. So please support us and join us on our journey.